Ha ha! J Nature in the building. It's time to rock the era.
Yay!
You ready?
Ooh,
Come on now. Sing it, baby.
yeah. This is our time, here we come. Never stopping, never gonna run. Keep on climbing till you reach the top.
Rock the era, baby, it's non-stop.
This is our time, here we come. Never stopping, never gonna run. Keep on climbing till you reach the top.
Rock the era, baby, it's non-stop. Come on, everybody, let me take you on the ride. Man, you won't be surprised when you see how the youth division standing up like true kings and queens of the universe. There's no jokers in this deck, cause Coastal Roofer is a vet. That's why we haven't lost yet, so your haters allowed to be upset when we coming through. This is rock the era, so we gotta keep it true. You know what I mean, my YMB gonna stand up like true Lion Kings, trying to overcome my mentality. A self-doubt, sometimes I feel like it's choking me, but I'm breaking shackles by chanting my D's. And all this negativity can see me, but my name ain't John Cena, cause my Buddha name's bigger than him. You feeling me? I got so much energy, the Energizer Bunny envies me.
This is our time, here we come. Never stopping, never gonna run. Keep on climbing till you reach the top.
Rock the era, baby, it's non-stop.
This is our time, here we come.
Say what?
Never stopping, never gonna run.
Come on.
Keep on climbing till you reach the top.
Rock the era, baby, it's non-stop. Now this next verse is dedicated to my YWDs who be fighting Coastal Roofer with me. I'll do it so major, we need to add an extra pillar to the faith, practice and study, feel it. Yo ain't got the heart of a lion, y'all got the heart of Conoco. And baby, I ain't lying, behind every great man is a greater woman, doing all that she can. But it's up to us if we want to be better men. Know what I'm saying? Cause y'all can't always be there to hold our hands. So let's stand up and work together. Don't worry about trying to hook up, we on to something greater. It's all about the world peace, Coastal Roofer. I'll follow any woman into battle, you know you got it. Let's stand up and work together so we can do it big and rock the era.
This is our time, here we come. Never stopping, never gonna run.
Say what?
Keep on climbing till you reach the top.
Rock the era, baby, it's non-stop now.
This is our time, here we come. Never stopping, never gonna run. Keep on climbing till you reach the top.
Rock the era, baby, it's non-stop.
This is our time, here we come. Never stopping, never gonna run. Keep on climbing till you reach the top.
Rock the era, baby, it's non-stop. Ha ha!
This is our time, here
Guess
we
what
come.
now?
Never stopping, never
Introducing
gonna run. Keep on climbing till you
K-Wreck in the building. Get 'em, girl.
Since ESD, junior, senior high, and student division will carry the torch towards a new mission. Let's work as one to raise capable successors. This ensures that we win in this endeavor. Cause being separate achieves nothing. So we must come together so we can rock the era. It's never just about your own selfish cause. Now if you're truly dedicated to the law, Coastal Roofer is our main mission. United for the 10 with our men's and women's division. We must respond with no delay and be appreciative for Sensei's vision.
This is our time, here we come. Never stopping, never gonna run. Keep on climbing till you reach the top. Rock the era, baby's not stop. This is our time. Here we come. We gon' rock the era. You gon' rock the era. Let's all rock the era. Yeah, 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 yeah.